Prepare to unfold a new chapter in mobile technology. We present to you the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, the epitome of innovation and a game changer in the foldable phone market. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not just a phone. It's a technological marvel that redefines what a smartphone can do. Starting at just $1,600, linked down below, ready to buy. With its impressive main and cover screens, it promises to optimize your multitasking experience like never before. Imagine having the power of a tablet that folds into the size of a phone. The Z Fold 5's 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED screen span makes it more of a small tablet than a phone, allowing you to enjoy games, write notes, and consume media in a way that you've never experienced before, all at 120 Hz. Compared to Google Pixel Fold's simpler software, the Z Fold 5 stands out with its S Pen stylus support, better color options, and Samsung's unique DX feature, which lets you convert your smartphone into a desktop computer with a keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's 50-megapixel main camera delivers high-resolution photos with mature processing and low noise. It's designed to capture every detail, whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, ensuring color and clarity in every shot. In daylight conditions, the Z Fold 5's camera excels. It delivers fairly accurate white balance across most lighting conditions. However, in cloudy conditions, testers occasionally noticed a green cast. Despite this, color rendering was overall pleasant and vivid, with natural skin tones. The camera's high resolution ensures that your pictures are sharp and full of detail, even when zoomed in. The Z Fold 5's camera also performs well in low-light photography. It supports auto night shot and has a dedicated night mode. When the night shot is triggered, it usually takes about a second or two to finish processing. The images produced are excellent with good detail, vivid colors, and wide dynamic range. These are a bit brighter than reality, which is usually the case with any night mode. The noise is kept low, and the minor visible amount doesn't get in the way at all. As for exposure, the Z Fold 5's camera manages well-balanced exposures, ensuring that your photos are neither too dark nor too washed out. The camera's autofocus feature also contributes to the sharpness of the photos, delivering a good performance in most conditions. Now, let's talk about gaming. It's short and sweet, what can I say? With its large 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers an ideal gaming experience. The device is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, allowing it to handle complex graphics processing with ease. For instance, it can achieve a steady high FPS settings at games like Genshin and Call of Duty Mobile. Additionally, the device features a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing games with a smooth look and feel. The Z Fold 5 also offers a range of storage options, going up to 1 TB. However, it does not have a card slot for expandable storage. The device runs on Android 13, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. Against its competitors, the Z Fold 5 stands tall. Consider the Motorola Razr Plus, a formidable clamshell flip phone. While the Razr Plus has its unique style and versatile options, the Z Fold 5 prioritizes being a tablet, making it the perfect choice for those looking for a big screen that they can carry anywhere. When it comes to performance, the Z Fold 5 is in a class by itself. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, allowing for blazing speed and an optimized software experience. In comparison, the Google Pixel Fold, while offering excellent camera capabilities, falls a lot in terms of power and performance. Now the verdict. Well, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the best foldable phone you can buy in late 2023. It's more than just a phone. It's a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation and technology. If you're looking for a device that offers unparalleled multitasking capabilities, a stunning display, and a unique foldable design, the Z Fold 5 is the phone for you. And that's it. Experience the future of mobile technology with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's not just a phone, it's a revolution in your palm. Ready to experience this technological marvel? Check out the links below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. This is where the future unfolds. Are you ready?